All right. Good morning. I just wanted to make a couple quick videos. I know that we are 2 days away from this course being over, so I have made videos like this throughout the last, 9 weeks, but it seems like there are still people, either one, not understanding how to use Schoology correctly, or two, getting to a video and completely skipping over it. Like, for instance, on Thursday or Friday's review assignment. So let me just go over there. There was review before the test, or catch-up day, I think it was. There was this quick little math assignment that you guys had to do. Of course, it's not going to work right now. Give me 1 second. There's this quick little assignment that you guys had to do where it actually asked you to watch a video and then answer a question. And the question was, what was my favorite sport? And I got a lot of answers of like soccer. Who is my favorite sports team? Soccer, Broncos, da-da-da-da. The funny part is, if you watched the video, the reason why I have this question is to watch this video and review for your test. If you watch that video, at the very end of the video it says, there's a question that's coming up next that says, who's my favorite team? Please write Gators in the blank. And then I even spell it out on a whiteboard so that you guys can see it, okay? So I'm just going to start off this video by saying, if you are not watching every video that I am posting, you are not getting the information that you need to pass this class, okay? Again, a lot of people just answered this question. They didn't even focus on the video ahead of it. I have a whole list of students that I was going to contact today and be like, listen, you need to start watching the videos. When you get to a lesson, so I just really want to quickly, I know, again, we are 2 days away from the end of the quarter, but we have a second quarter starting in a week. So I want to make sure that everyone's aware. When you get to second quarter, again, the very first screen when you go to Schoology, the very first screen that will pop up is announcements. I need you guys to read these announcements every single day. For instance, today it says, Happy Monday. We have 2 days before this quarter is over. Today is devoted to makeup work. And one little assignment where you have to watch some videos about this course. Please complete that assignment, then work on as many missing assignments as you can. Okay, again, this is the assignment. Like, this tells you what you're supposed to be doing that day. It'll tell you what day you're on. It'll tell you what assignment you're supposed to do. Read those announcements. It'll tell you any announcements about the class. Like, for instance, after you have to pass this class with a 60 or higher. Okay. From there, you're going to go over and click on materials. Do not click right here where it says upcoming. This takes you straight to the lesson, or straight to the assignment. It does not take you to the lesson. Imagine having to sit here and someone just give you a piece of paper on applied mathematics and say, here, go for it. You're not going to know how to do it because you've never been taught how to do it. If someone were to come up to me and say, write a poem and make it good, I don't know how to do that, okay? So you have to watch the lesson video. So we're going to click on materials every single day. Click on material. Again, you can see this other part because this is my screen. On yours, you only have quarter one right now. Well, in a week from now, this will no longer be there, and the only one you'll be able to see is this quarter two. But for right now, you can see quarter one. Click on quarter one. It'll tell you what chapter we're on. So again, on the updates, I say we're in Appendix A. Now we are in Chapter 1. So we'll click on Chapter 1. And then again, in the updates, it says we are on day blank. So for instance, today we are on day 41. All missing and work must be completed. So we would click on that. And then we have two things. We have the actual page that tells you what's happening, and then the assignment. Now, because today's just missing work, if I click on here, there's no video to watch, but it does tell me my 2 steps right here. On a normal day, on a normal assignment, so let's go back to day 20, There's three things, right? The very first thing, if you just click on the assignment, you miss this whole first page, which has the 2 videos that literally have me teaching the lesson, okay? So you need to go to this first page. Again, if this was on an updates page, these 2 will show over here off to the side because those are the upcoming assignments. You will miss this first page. This first page will not show up on that side of upcoming assignments. You have to go to materials. Then you have to go to the quarter. Then you have to go to the chapter. Then you have to go to the day. Okay? From there, you can click on the very first page which says, hey, we're going to solve equations. Watch this video, watch this video. Down here, it gives you instructions. Watch the video above, take notes, then submit your notes, then go to the assignment and try it. And oh, by the way, there's extra things down here in case those 2 videos aren't enough. There's extra things down here, okay? This is information that we should already know. I've already made about 3 videos about this, but we're at the end of quarter 1 and I still have people saying, wait, there's a video every day? So please watch the video, okay? Second thing, we had an assignment last week that said, find your grade. There are a lot of people that didn't know how to find their grade, so I want to focus on that really quickly. Right here's your gradebook. Okay, so when you click on gradebook, well, here, let me view it as a student so that way you guys can see. Okay, so when I go to gradebook, this is exactly what you'll see. So right away, you'll see nothing because that's under resources. You need to go to quarter 1. Okay, once you click on quarter 1, then you will see, oh, why did it not work? Okay, sorry, I have to go to another student because this is not working. My bad. Let me view as just first one. Okay, so again, go to grades. Over here, again, you'll see no grades because this is just the resources. Then you'll see the quarter 1. This is your overall grade at this moment in time. Okay, you need that to be a 60% or higher. If it's not, you have a lot of work today and tomorrow to do. Okay, from there, you can see different types of grades. You can either see an actual number like this, which means you have 3 out of 3, or you got 5 out of 5, or 2 out of 2. Or you will see a missing, which means this assignment is completely missing and you need to turn it in. You'll see an excused, meaning that you don't need to work on that. That's one of those like assignments that we did in class or something. And then there may be a grade where it's like lower, like instead of 5 out of 5, maybe it's like 0 out of 5. And that's because you did it wrong and you need to redo it. You can keep turning in any of these things up until the end of this quarter, which again is technically tomorrow. You can click on the assignment. So this is the one I'm missing. I can click over here. Now again, that takes me straight to the assignment. I'm not going to be able to do the assignment without knowing what the assignment is. So once I'm clicked on that assignment, if I click on the day folder, that will then show me, okay, here we go. This is my lesson. I need to click on this. I need to watch this video, and then I need to turn in that assignment. Okay. The last thing that I want to address, well, I'm going to make a second video on this, so let's just clarify. In this video, there is a question at the very end that says, what is my favorite number? Again, I'm not asking your favorite number, I'm asking mine, and mine is 17. So you are going to put a 17 in the blank in order to get credit for watching this video.